Hi everyone. I hope you are all healthy and happy. Welcome to Kattamaipalan. In this video, we will see carbon nanotubes classifications, structures, properties, and applications of carbon nanotubes. Before going to discuss carbon nanotubes, we should know what is graphite. Graphite is the hexagonal lattice structure of carbon. Also, we should know what is graphene. Graphene is a single sheet of graphite. Now we will see what is carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are the graphene sheets which has been rolled up into a cylindrical shape to form tube-like structure. Let us see the classifications of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are broadly classified into two types based on the number of layers, single-walled and multi-walled carbon nanotubes. In a single-walled nanotubes, only one graphene sheet is used to form the nanotube. The multi-walled carbon nanotubes are made by more than one graphene sheet. Now we will see structures of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes having three basic structures: armchair, zigzag, and chiral. Let us discuss one by one. The armchair structure of carbon nanotubes can be made by rolling the graphene sheet in such a way that carbon-carbon bond should be parallel to the tube axis. The zigzag structure is made by rolling the graphene sheet such a way that the tube axis is perpendicular to the carbon-carbon bonds. In the chiral structure of carbon nanotubes, carbon-carbon bonds are inclined to the direction of tube axis. Now we will see the properties of carbon nanotubes. Electrical properties. Carbon nanotubes are metallic or semiconducting depending on the diameter and chirality. Here the chirality is nothing but how the graphene sheets are rolled up. In the semiconducting chiral structure of carbon nanotubes, the energy gap is inversely proportional to the diameter of the carbon nanotubes. The band gap of the carbon nanotubes varies from 0.2 to 1.2 electron volt along the tube axis. In single-walled carbon nanotubes, conduction occurs through discrete electronic state, so it can be used as quantum wires at very low temperatures. Let us see mechanical properties of carbon nanotubes. In the carbon nanotubes, carbon-carbon bond is very strong, so that the mechanical strength of the carbon nanotube is high. The Young's modulus of carbon nanotubes is about 1.8 terapascal. Here the terapascal is 10 power 12 pascal. Another important mechanical property of carbon nanotube is it has high stability to withstand extreme strain. The carbon nanotubes can recover from any severe structural distortions because the carbon nanotubes having carbon atom, it has easy hybridized property. Now we will see the physical properties of carbon nanotubes. The strength to weight ratio of carbon nanotube is high and the value is about 100 times greater than that of steel. Density of single-walled nanotube is 0.8 gram per centimeter cube, and it is 1.8 gram per centimeter cube for multi-walled nanotubes. Let us discuss chemical property of carbon nanotubes. The carbon nanotubes are highly resistant to chemical reactions. It is not easily reacted with the other chemical element. So, the carbon nanotubes cannot be easily oxidized. This is suitable for any technological applications. Now we will see the thermal property of carbon nanotubes. Thermal conductivity of carbon nanotube is high and its value increases with decreasing the diameter. Let us come to the application part of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotube is used in a flat panel displays. The principle behind this field emission property. The field emission property is nothing but when you are giving small amount of electric field parallel to the tube, the more number of electrons are emitted at the end of the tubes. It is used in vacuum tube lamps, and this lamp having more lifetime and good brightness. Plastic composite of carbon nanotubes can be used as lightweight shielding material for electromagnetic radiation. Carbon nanotubes is used to make field effect transistor. High thermal conductivity and low resistance make this material to use as interconnects in electronic chips. Carbon nanotubes can be used in the development of fuel cells for storing hydrogen. It is used as gas sensors. Carbon nanotubes can be used to increase the tensile strength of steel. Carbon nanotubes is used in battery technology. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.